Welcome to 10 Red. I am so looking forward to meeting you, and I'm really sorry that I'm unwell at the moment and can't be with you. So just a few things before we start. I wanted to just make sure that everyone understood that the red and the yellow classes are mixed classes. So we took everyone that we thought had the capability of doing advanced maths, mixed them all together and split them into two classes. So Miss Nguyen and I are teaching exactly the same. We're doing the same assessments, the same assignments, probably the same homework. Everything's the same, and you're competing against each other, working together with each other. It's a general methods course. We've designed the course ourselves, so we're not necessarily doing totally methods, we're not doing totally general, we're doing a mixture with the aim of preparing you for your choice, whether you choose to do general or whether you choose to do methods in Year 11. It's completely up to you, and the course is designed for you. So I really encourage you to give it a go. Talk to me if you're finding it hard, but believe in yourself because it's going to be challenging, but we picked you. We picked you for these classes. So our first topic is algebra review. So this is review of algebra that you've done in Year 7 to 9. You need to have this booklet, which your relief teacher will have given you. And let's get started. So I'm skipping forward a couple of pages and we'll go back later, but we're going to start with algebraic substitution. So if we substitute numbers for the variables, it means putting numbers in the place of the variables in an expression. And we do something called evaluating a mathematical expression. And that basically just means finding an answer for an expression, finding a numerical answer for an expression. Okay, so let's have a go at these. We've got P over Q. So instead of P, we write 4. Instead of Q, we write -3. Now, it's usual to write the negative on top, so we actually write -4/3. In question B, we've got P plus R over Q, so 4 plus 2 over -3. That gives us 6 divided by -3, which equals -2. So nice and straightforward. Let's do E together. So P plus Q plus R, 4 plus -3. You can see I've put that in brackets just to keep that nice and clear. 4 minus 2. Now you could just put that whole expression in your calculator, that would be fine, or you can do it in your head and get 3/2. And the last question, question F, we have 8 times -3 divided by 2 times P plus R, 4 plus 2. Which gives us -24 over 12, which is -2. Okay, I'd like you to pause the video, do these questions, and then start the video and check your answers. So we have -1 all squared, which is 1. We've got 4 cubed, which is 64. Now x squared plus y squared, -1 squared plus -5 squared, 26. -1 cubed plus negative 5 cubed. 1 minus 125, should be minus 1 as well, gives us minus 126. F we get 45, and last one, G, y plus z all cubed. So just substituting the numbers in for the letters and then following the normal rules of arithmetic. So now a couple of square roots. Just the same, we need to be just a little bit careful with our simplifying. So p minus q plus r, 4 minus negative 3 plus 2, so square root of 9 equals 3. Now the other one, substituting the numbers in, we're going to get square root of 13, and we'll leave that as an exact value. Okay, I want you to stop the video, do these questions, and then come back and check. So square root of a, which is the square root of 4 plus negative 1, so 2 minus 1 equals 1. First one's nice and easy. B, we've got the square root of a plus b, so this time it's all under the 1 square root sign. Notice the difference there. This and this. So square root of 3, and leave that as an exact value. E, square root of a squared plus c squared. So that's 16 plus 9, 25. Maybe you might recognise that as a Pythagorean triple. And that gives us 5. And the last question, b squared plus c. Which equals 2. Well done. Okay, so now we're going to practice some collecting of like terms. And I'm just going to do 2 to highlight a couple of points, and then I'm going to get you to do the rest and check your answers. So I'm going to do this one and question O. Now the reason I'm doing these are to point out to you that the sign always belongs to the number or the variable that comes after it. Okay, so K, we've got 3a plus 8 minus a minus 2. Okay, so the minus a is a whole package. The minus is stuck to the a, and the minus 2 is stuck together as well. So let's do the negative a and the 3a first. So that's 3a minus a gives us 2a, and then 8 minus 2 gives us 6. And then O. A squared plus 6a plus 2a squared minus 2a the negative 2a, that negative sign belongs to the 2a. 6a minus 2a becomes 4a. And the a squared and the 2a squared stay together. Okay, so do these questions, and then on the next page, you'll find the answers.